Example 1. Solve for x. 2 times x to the power 2 over 3 equals 18. Solution. Let us first make the coefficient of x to be 1 before we can raise it to an exponent. On one side of the equal sign, we have a base x with an exponent 2 over 3. We need to write 9 as a base with an exponent. Note that the numerator of the rational exponent is 2, which is even. Hence we will have two solutions. We now need to make the exponent of x equal to 1. Hence we raise both sides of the equation to the exponent 3 over 2. Therefore, x equals plus or minus 27.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Mesky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.